What's up, Desert English? I am here at Cotabato State University College of Teacher Education, and we're gonna ask some students to define or what's their concept and definition about talented and gifted learners. So, tara! Okay, please state your name, program, and year level.
Hello, I am Monica Matthew Cuevas from the College of Teacher Education, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. I'm a fourth-year student.
Okay, my question is, as a future educator, what is your definition or concept of being a gifted or talented learner?
Okay, so for me, being a gifted learner is having to excel in different aspects, not just academically, especially having an expertise, especially in talents. Kasi one of the things that will differentiate you from many people and that could consider you to be a gifted person is having an expertise or being being different in a good way that makes you stand out from everyone or from everyone else. So that's the definition of a gifted or a talented learner.
Okay, thank you so much, Kuya Monica. I am with
Radio Josh M. Takanay, a fourth-year student, taking a Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, and also a pre-service teacher at the University Laboratory Center.
Okay, sir. As a future educator, what is your definition or concept of being a gifted or talented learner?
When we say gifted learners, or those are learners that have special abilities or kumbaga meron silang extra learning on their selves. Kumbaga parang nagle-level up yung mga skills nila. They can cope up into something easily unlike the normal person. Kumbaga merong special sa kanila na wala sa isang normal na tao. That's my definition of gifted students.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. And hello, and I am with.
Miss Janelica Marian Lee from BSN English 1.
So, as a future educator, what is your definition or concept of being a gifted or talented learner?
As a future educator, my stand on being a gifted learner is about being someone who has the capability and talents to flourish and mold it in a way which can benefit them. Nevertheless, being gifted is about being someone who can use their talents, capabilities, and many more for the betterment of themselves in order for them to feel fulfilled. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much for my hand. Hello, and I am with.
City Althea Ayunan, taking the Bachelor of Technology and Technical Education. Third year student.
As a future educator, what is your definition or concept of being a gifted or talented learner?
So for me, being a gifted learner or student is having a lot of potential that can make you feel different or can make you unique from the other person. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung pagkakaroon mo ng mga abilities or ng mga kakayahan or capacity na hindi siya kayang gawin ng ibang tao. So, that's my own definition about it.
Thank you so much po. Hello, and I am with.
Amani B. Gamil from Bitiled H.E. Tobin.
Okay, ma'am, as a future educator, what is your definition or concept of being a gifted or talented learner?
Okay, for me, the definition of being a gifted learner is having a high IQ, and that's all.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, and I am with.
Abu Shama Imasura from Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, second year student.
So, sir, as a future educator, what is your definition or concept of being a gifted or talented learner?
As a student at the same time, habang napag-aralan namin ito sa aming subject, para sa akin, when I heard talented and the gifted learner, ang unang pumapasok sa isip ko is, these are the students or learners showed up above average ability in one or more areas. It could be in math, arts, music, leadership, or even creative problem solving. Meaning to say, ito yung mga estudyante yung mabilis umunawa kasi sila yung curious or maraming tanong at ayun yung para sa akin.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so what is your concept about being gifted and talented? So for me, gifted are those people who is born talented, which is pinanganak na silang meron na silang kakayanan, hindi na nila ito nakuha pa sa activities sila sa iba. And ang talented naman is yun may talent sila to a specific thing and in-improve lang nila dito yung socializing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good morning, Purcon. We would like to ask what is your concept about gifted and talented learners po?
Okay, so good morning as well to all of you. Well, for me, my own concept of gifted and talented learners. For me, gifted learners are the ones who possess natural high aptitude that has like having broader ideas that a normal person like us doesn't have. On the other hand, for the gifted concept, right? Gifted learners, they're the ones with having mastery in different skills, in different fields, such as sports, music. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you po.
You're welcome. Thank you as well.